As part of Barbecuing Chicken 101, one of the first things you need to learn how to do is to cut up your chicken. When you go to the market, you'll see that you can buy the whole pieces or you can buy them all cut up. And when you buy a whole chicken, it costs you a lot less money. We're here at Jimm Meats and Produce in Fullerton, California. This is Patrick. Patrick, show us how to cut up that chicken.
I will do that. I'll show you guys how to cut an 8 and a 9-piece cut. If you guys have families or you guys are watching your budget, it'll definitely save you money in the long run. First thing you want to look for, obviously, is your chicken has a nice yellowish color to it. That means it's usually not too slimy or sticky. So I usually start with the wings. So I make a small incision and kind of find where the joint's at. So you find where the joint is between your back rib there and then between your wing, and you could easily go right through. And there's your 2 wings. Okay, so next you're gonna find where your leg is connected to your breast there, and then I make another small incision, not to go all the way through. Make a small incision which will expose a lot of the thigh meat in between the breastbone there. And what I do is I'll pull it back until you hear a little pop, and then slice as you're going right in between, once again, looking for those 2 joints. That's your easiest part right there. You're gonna feel for, once again, another joint that goes in between where your leg and your thigh is. So cut right in between there, and now you've separated your leg from your thigh. So now you have 2 legs, 2 thighs, and 2 wings. You're gonna have your breast and your backbone together. You wanna make sure that you make the slice going all the way down with the rib bones. You're gonna make an incision all the way down, running with the backbone there. And that should be just the way it is as such. And then do the same on the other side, trying to stay away from the breast meat, obviously. You don't wanna cut into that. And then when you come down to it, you can just simply twist back and then cut the rest of the little piece off as such. And then make a small incision in the middle of the breast. And then pull together gently, and that will expose the breastbone, which you can easily put with your fingers in and kind of give it a tug on, and it comes right out. Simple as that. Next up, you're gonna take your knife and go in between the wishbone. Wishbone runs right on top of your breast here. So you want to make sure you don't hit that, and then give it a slice right down the way. And that should leave us with an 8-piece chicken. 9-piece, you're going to get 1 extra piece of the breast. That's the only trick. A lot of it's similar, but I'll show you guys and run you through it right now. You're going to split that little incision there to get the breastbone, like we did with the 8-piece cut. Pop that guy out. That's real simple. And we're going to do a little bit different cut here. I'd say about 1/3 of the way up is where you're gonna make your incision. You're gonna slice it against the actual rib bone and then give it a nice pop. And there's your extra piece of breastbone there, breast meat. It should have a little teeny bit of bone to it. And then we split these nice guys in half, flip them back over, in between your wishbone, right in half. And that's your 9-piece cut, ladies and gentlemen.
So there you got it. We got an 8-piece cut. We got a 9-piece cut up here at Jimm Meats and Produce in Fullerton, California. Patrick, thank you so much. I appreciate it.
Anytime, Jim. You bet.